I'm gonna be taking you on a little cruise today. Very sunny outside today, so we're gonna get some good lighting in the cabin. I'm gonna set you all up on the camera or on the chair, and we're gonna get some cool POV driving. And for those that don't know, this is my dad's car. They are blue, not as close in blue, but like I convinced him to get the blue because he was set on it. And I was like, "Dude, just get the blue so he can match with me." And he actually did it. But this is basically a 2024 or 25. I think it's 24. Yeah, 24 Model S plaid with the carbon trim, little badge, that new badge thing. He had the hubcaps on, but I took them off so you can actually see the red caliper. That was like 6-piston. Oh, wow. That's a fat caliper. But yeah. Go, go, go. Go. Hey, little bud. You want to drive? Okay. Is it even recording? This thing is not slow for that 4-cylinder. I just got into the line at Starbucks. I don't know why there's a line right now. It's only 4. It's usually not that busy right now. But little backstory, I used to work at this Starbucks, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab some, say what's up to the homies, and then head back. But this dude is getting jittery. No pup cups for him because that messes with his stomach. No. Secured my nitro. Now we're gonna head back home. Y'all, oh my god, that is a bad pothole. Actually going rock climbing, or indoor rock climbing, bouldering I think. But as you can see, how to bring it out. It's very rare that I show this car on the channel, but for those new subscribers, this is a Drive It Gray M3 competition. It's got AST, height adjustable springs, and then the Kalami orange interior with the red, the carbon bucket seats. But yeah, man. Right. Now I got Apple Care. Hey. I'm about to go Central Rock. Let me show y'all real quick. Hey, anybody in the Tampa area, Central Rock. I guess it's this place. I guess it's the spot. I don't know, but I'm not really. I never rock climbed. This is my first time, so I'm pretty hyped. I got the poser fit on, you know, the baggy clothes and shit. Yo, they got us signing a waiver, bro. Yo, I'm about to break my neck. Yo, we have to watch the orientation just in case us newbies have to do it.
The purpose of this video is to orient.
It's just 11. Look at those, yo. See these? These are driving shoes. I'm an F1 racer now. I'm LeBron. Yo, people be doing pull-ups on this. What the? I feel like my fingernail gonna rip off. I think this one I can do a pull-up on. Bro, what?
V0 is too hard, so V6.
You know what V6 does here? 6 cylinders.
He sucks, bro. He sucks.
I can't do it.
He sucks. Nice.
Hey, I completed that one though earlier.
Just not on camera.
Like this black one right here, to the finish is right there. I completed this one, but there's one over there that I could not finish. But my forearms are like done, yo, and I'm like all chalked up.